Note-making. What is note-making? Note-making is not just about writing down everything you hear or read. It is a process of reviewing, connecting and synthesizing ideas from your lectures or reading. Before you going to learn about note-making, you need to discover your learning styles. There are 4 types of learning styles: visual method, auditory method, reading and writing method, kinesthetic method. Let's get a brief idea about these methods. Visual learning. Visual learning is a type of learning style in which students prefer to use images, graphics, colors and maps to communicate ideas and thoughts. Auditory learning style. Auditory learning is a learning style in which a person learns through listening. These learners benefit from listening, speaking, group discussions, verbal repetition, sound recordings, mnemonic devices. Read, write learning style. Read, write learners learn primarily by reading and writing. They prefer to learn information by reading notes, handouts and textbooks. Kinesthetic learning style. Kinesthetic learning or tactile learning is a learning style in which learning takes place by the students carrying out physical activities, rather than listening to a lecture or watching demonstrations. Kinesthetic learners learn by touch. These learners benefit from movement, tactile representations, models and materials, physical interactions, hands-on approaches, experience and practice. Let's talk about note-taking methods. Cornell method. Cornell note-taking method was made popular by Walter Pock, an education professor at Cornell University. This is very helpful in class while reading and using online resources. Basic idea of this concept is that you have a place to write down your facts, questions, and summary. Outline method. The outline method organized by using headings and subheadings, points and subpoints. The advantages of this methods are organizes information based on heading and easy to do in lecture. Disadvantages is it can be hard to identify how to organize the information during the lecture. Charting method. Charting note-taking method uses columns to organize information. This method is useful for lessons that cover a lot of facts or relationships between topics. Because of well-organized facts, it is very easy to review. Sentence method. Sentence method is writing every new thought, fact, or topic on a separate line as you progress, numbering each sentence. The idea is, you write down important information, with each thought or point getting a separate line. You are able to cover lots of information quickly by using this method. Mind mapping method. When you can't think where to start, you can create mind maps and connecting the dots. This technique is useful when learning about relationships between topics. This is a visual thinking tool that helps you to structure information, helping you to analyze it and come up with additional ideas. Now, let's talk about effective note-making methods in different scenarios.
What is the effective note-making method when learning from self-instructional course material?
The answer is outline method.
What is the effective note-making method when learning from online and face-to-face day schools?
The answer is Cornell method.
What is the effective note-making method when learning from planning and execution of a group activity?
The answer is mind mapping.
What is the effective note-making method when working on an assignment or a project?
The answer is Outline method.
Thank you!